Hi, this video is going to show about our 4K AVoverIP system with the KVM workstation. So here we have the setup. Basically right now we have like two PC here. This is the desktop and a mini PC, and both have a HDMI output with a USB port, which is connected to the transmitters here. So on the transmitter, basically we have two HDMI input, then have the two USB port, which is connected to the transmitters. The other are the spare units, and we can see the connections on the transmitter side and on the receiver side. And we have those receivers are connected to the 8 screens on the video wall. Here right now we can see it's actually as a 2x4 video wall. And now we can have another unit is back to this side. So on this unit, basically we have the cable and mouse which is connected, but also we have an HDMI cable connected to this local mount here. And this unit we call it as a KVM workstation unit. So with this unit, basically we can do is control the preview or the source on this monitor, but we also can control remotely for the two PCs here. And meantime, we also can push the contents to this video or open window, those kind of settings. So I'm just going to show like how this KVM workstation to work with the video wall now. Okay. So basically this KVM workstation, I will just zoom the camera a little bit so we can see like how it works. So on the KVM workstation right now we can see we use the keyboard, one keyboard and mouse, and we can just move to top. And basically we can see here we have the OSD menu. Once we click this one, then we will bring up the OS menu, which is for the source preview. Right, we have like two input sources are connected, and this one is to restore back to the layouts on this KVM workstation. Like right now is a code view, but we also can have like different layouts by layout icon here. So we can choose as the single view as well. Right, this is a single screen, and when single screen, and we just move to the screen now. Double click. Now we can control this PC already, right? Like right now we can just bring up the video, or we can just back to the desktop, right? And we also can just like open the .pps, then we can just type something as well, right? It's pretty much just like we can use this keyboard and mouse to control the remote PC. And move the mouse to the top. Right now we have the icon here, and then we can click. Right, we can just choose different layouts back to the code view as well. So when we have the code view, and we can choose the source, like right now we want to have the source, switch to this in screen 2, and we can choose the source again. Can have this source is back to this window, right? And also the same, we can choose another one is showing up on the last window here. So right now we have a code view, but also we can just go to the OSD menu again, then we can choose another layouts, which is as the one large screen with like 7 small screens, and also we have the 9 window on this one. Okay, so basically this is the KVM workstation to preview the source, except this function, but we also can have like the operation, which is kind of like for us to do to control the video wall. Like right now we have this 2x4 video wall, and I'm just zooming in the camera a little bit so basically we can see how we do the controls. Right now we can just clear the contents on the video wall. Right, it's going to be show the background image, but we can check out the source on the list here, and we can just drag a source. But also we have like another functions like pull the contents back to the KVM workstation, or push the contents from the KVM workstation to the video wall, clear. And this one is refresh, and also we can record presets. This one is as a full screen. If we click the full screen, like right now, if we drag the source to the video wall, let's see what will happen. So I'm just going to drag the source to the video wall. Now we got this one is showing as the video wall. We also can just switch to different source, right? If we choose like the device screen, and let's see how it works. So device screen, we can choose these 4 showing as a video wall, right? And those screens we can have as the individual screens. Right now we can see like these 4 screens are showing independently, and this one is at the 2x2 video wall. So this one is we use the KVM workstation for the controls. Like right now we have the KVM workstation is showing as 9 windows. We can just move to any of the window. We can start to the control. Double click. Now we can control this one, right? Let's just type something here. Select this one, and we can just delete. AVoverIP. It's actually using 1G now switch. Right now we can see we actually can type something, but also can just back to the control on the PC. Right now we also can control this one as well. Okay, so this is the KVM station, which is can control the PC remotely, but also can just control the video wall, like push contents or grab contents, or open window, clear the window on the video wall. Okay, thank you.